US President Donald Trump has announced a major deal with Pakistan to jointly develop Pakistan's oil reserves. The move comes as Washington continues tariff negotiations with several countries and escalates trade pressure on India. In a post on Truth Social, President Trump said the United States and Pakistan had concluded a deal to work together on tapping Pakistan's vast oil reserves. He added that the partner oil company will be choosing soon and suggested the new production could eventually supply oil to India. This is the first high-level move to develop Pakistan's long-claimed coastal oil deposits. The announcement comes as Pakistan Finance Minister Mohammad Aurangzeb is in Washington for what officials call final stage negotiations on a tariff agreement. Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar said Pakistan aims to finalize a mutually beneficial trade deal before the 1st August deadline. Officials say that Pakistan wants tariff rates similar to recent US deals with Japan, Indonesia, the Philippines, and Vietnam, around 15 to 20%. President Trump has meanwhile imposed a 25% on Indian imports and an additional penalty for buying Russian oil and weapons. He described India's tariffs as some of the world's most strenuous and said no extensions would be given if a deal is not reached by the end of the week. The Indian rupee and stock futures fell on the news as New Delhi confirmed it was studying the impact and remained committed to a balanced trade agreement with the US. Separately, the US State Department announced sanctions against 6 Indian companies accused of trading in Iranian petroleum and petrochemicals. The sanctions target companies such as Kanchan Polymers, Jupiter Dye-Chem, and Persistent Petrochem, as well as several Chinese and UAE firms and oil tankers. President Trump mentioned that other countries, including South Korea, are offering tariff reductions to secure better trade terms. Pakistani officials have previously suggested increasing imports of US goods, including oil, to reduce their $3 billion trade deficit rather than face higher tariffs. The US-Pakistan oil partnership is expected to deepen ties between the two allies, but the outcome of tariff talks remains crucial. With the deadline approaching, both Pakistan and India face pressure to conclude trade agreements with Washington.